Next exercise is exercise 2G in my book. The question number 1 is x square plus 11x plus 30. These type of factorizations are called middle term breaking. The middle number, the coefficient of the middle number is 11. X square plus 11x plus 30. Here, 4 things are important. First of all, coefficient of the first number, here it is 1. Then this number which we have to break. Then this sign and this number. These 4 things. 1, 2, 3, this sign and 4. Okay, what do you have to do? First of all, we have to multiply this number, the coefficient of the first number and the last number. You have to multiply 1 into 30, that is 30. Then you have to factorize this one. 2, 15, 3, 5. Look, this sign is plus. So what do you have to do? We have to combine these factors 2, 3 and 5 in such a way that if we sum up them, by sum because here it is plus, if we sum up them, the result is 11. Look, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5 gives you 11, so you can write it like this, x square, 1 into x square means x square, plus, write 11 like 6 plus 5 into x plus 30, then x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 30. On the first two number, take x common, so x plus 6. From the last two number, take 5 common, x plus 6. Again x plus 6, x plus 6 common, x plus 6 common, then x plus 5. These middle term breaking sums you have already done in class 8. So we will not doing lots of sum from this exercise. I'll just recall you. I'll just make you recall how to do this type of sums. In the next question, question number 10. Look at the arrangement is in different way. The x square term is at the last, 3x is at the middle, but the first number is, the constant number is at the beginning. Here also we will apply the same method. This number is important, this number important, coefficient of this number is important, that is 1, and this sign minus. Now multiply minus 1 into 4, that is 40, minus 40. We will just factorize 40. Okay, 5, 8. What do you have to make? We have to make 3 by subtraction. Here it is negative sign. 5 and 8. If we subtract 8 from 5, we will get 3. So you can write it like this. 40 plus 8 minus 5 into x minus x square. Multiply 40 plus 8x minus 5x minus x square. From the first two number, take 8 common, so 5 plus x. From the last two number, take minus x common, 5 plus x. Again 5 plus x common, 8 minus x. Next question is 27. 6x square minus 5x minus 21. First coefficient is 6, here it is 5, it is minus, it is 21. You can multiply 6 and 21, then factorize, or you can just simply factorize 21 and 6 separately. That would be easier. 3, 7, if we multiply factorize 6, 2, 3. So what are the total factors? 3, 7, 2 and 3. You can just check by multiplying 21 and 6, then factorize, you will get 2 3s, 1 7 and 1 2 only. Okay. Now look, these are the factors which we have in our hand. 1 3, 1 7, another 3 and a 2. We have to make 5 by using these factors and combining them. Okay. Look how to combine. We have 3, 3, 7 and 2. The total factors are 3, 3, 7 and 2. Okay. 6 minus 5. We have to make 5. Okay. So 7 2s are 14 and 3 3s are 9. 14 minus 9 gives you 5. Why minus? Because here it is a negative sign. So we can write 5 as 6x square minus 14 minus 9 into x minus 21. That is 6x square minus 14x minus into minus plus 9x minus 21 equal to, we can take 2x common from the first two numbers. Take 2x common, so it will be 3x minus 7. From the last two numbers, we can take 3 common, so plus 3 into 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7 is common, so 3x minus 7 into 2x plus 3. Next, we will be doing question number 35. It is 1 by 3 x square minus 2x minus 9. What do you have to do? First of all, make the LCM. Here it is 3 at the denominator, here 1, here 1. So 3 will be the LCM. Here it will be x square, 3 into minus 2 is left is minus 6x, 3 into minus 9, minus 27. Now we will write this 1 by 3 separately, then x square minus 6x minus 27. Okay. Then we will factorize this one in the same method. Here it is 27, here it is 1, so that is 27 only. Factorize 27. 3, 9, we have to make 6 by subtracting. 9 minus 3 gives you 6. So write it like this, keep 1 by 3 as it is. Here x square minus 9 minus 3 into x minus 27, that is 1 by 3 x square minus 9x minus into minus plus 3 minus 27, that is 1 by 3. X common from the first two numbers, x minus 9. Take 3 common from the last two numbers, x minus 9. Again 1 by 3 x minus 9 into x plus 3. Next question is question number 38. Root 5 into x square plus 2x minus 3 into root 5. So we observe that here it is root 5, here it is 3 root 5, multiply 3 root 5 into root 5, so it is 3 into root 5 whole square, that is 5, so 3 into 5 equal to 15, so if we factorize we will get only 3 and 5. Like this, root 5x square keep it as it is, plus instead of 2 we can write 5 minus 3 into x minus 3 root 5 x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 3 root 5. 5 root 5 and 5. This 5 we can consider as root 5 into root 5. So we can take one x common and one root 5 common. Okay. So it will become root 5 into x common, x plus root 5. Here we can take minus 3 common, x plus root 5. So it will be x plus root 5 into root 5x minus 3. This is the last question which we will do in class. In this class, question number 45. What is given? 2 into x plus y whole square minus 9 into x plus y minus 5. Look, here it is x plus y whole square, here it is x plus y. So we can consider x plus y as a. You can consider x plus y as a, b, c, whatever, except x, y. Okay, because x, y are already present in this given polynomial. So let x plus y equal to a, and it will become 2 into a square minus 9a minus 5. Now we can simply factorize by using middle term taking. 2 into 5, that is 10. Here it is 9. Look, any number has a factor 1, so we can write 10 as 1, 10. Here it is minus sign, so 10 minus 1. Okay, so we can write 2a square minus 10 minus 1 into a minus 5 equal to 2a square minus 10a plus a minus 5. Take 2a common, a minus 5. Take plus 1 common, a minus 5. So it will be a minus 5 into 2a plus 1. Now if you keep like this, you will get 1 mark less. Why? Because you have considered x as x plus y as a, and your answer is in a. So you have to put the value of a in this expression. We are doing here. So it will become a is x plus y, so x plus y minus 5. We are taking a second bracket for these two. 2 into a is x plus y plus 1. That is x plus y minus 5 into 2x plus 2y plus 1. This is your answer.